Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Professor Mike here. A lot of y'all been probably wondering, which exhaust systems you want to get for your F150 5.0. There's a ton of them out there, and lucky for you, I took the time out of my day to find the 5 best sounding exhaust systems on the market today for your 2011 to 2021 F150 5.0. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. I post new videos every single week. Anything automotive, truck related, cars, all of that. These systems are in no particular order. It's just the top 5 I found in my opinion, and I would be totally fine with any 5 of these. I think they're great. I'm gonna go ahead and have you take a listen. So the first system is gonna be the Roush Catback system. This is a $1,000 system. It's pretty expensive. And on the loud level of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give it a 4. It's pretty loud, it's pretty gnarly. Go ahead and take a listen. Number 2, the second system that made the top 5 list in my opinion, it's gonna be the Flowmaster American Thunder series catback exhaust system. It is very loud. On a scale of 1 to 5, it is a 5. If you do not like your neighbors, or you don't care about neighbors, or you just want something that's gonna scream, this is probably one of the loudest systems out there. Go ahead and take a listen. Next, we got one of my personal favorites. This is the MBRP exhaust. It's going to be about $500. It's a lot cheaper than the rest of the ones like the Roush and the American Thunder. And on the loud level, I'd give it about a 3. It's a nice, decent tone. It sounds good, but it's not too low where it sounds stock. So go ahead and take a listen. Number 4, we're going into the Borla Attack. This is the loudest Borla system of them all. You have the Borla Touring, which is going to be the lower. It's about a 1 out of 5 on the loud level. Then you have the Borla S-Type, which is about a 1 out of 3 on the loud level. Then we have the Borla Attack, which is the loudest Borla system out there. And it is loud for a reason. Go ahead and take a listen. And lastly, the 5th one out of the top 5 best exhaust systems for your 5.0 F150 is going to be the Corsair Sport or the Corsair Extreme. Either two, it doesn't really matter. Let me tell you, they are top-notch quality. They're pretty expensive. The Sport's going to be about a 4 out of 5, and the Extremes are going to be about a 5 out of 5. So there you guys have it. That is my top 5, in my opinion, best sounding exhaust systems. I would be perfectly fine with any of these 5. They sound great. They're not too expensive, but at the same time, they're not cheap products. They are great quality brands. Roush, Corsair, Borla, Flowmaster. These are all top tier brands. And if you want something that's going to make your F-150 roar and rumble, this is the one for you. If you guys found this video helpful and it maybe cleared up your mind a little bit on which exhaust system you might think would be best for you, like I said, subscribe, like, comment. I get back to everybody and I post new videos every single week. So if you want another video on top 5 exhaust systems for the EcoBoost, just leave a comment. I don't really know if anybody would like to see that, but if you do, like I said, I can make that video for you guys. But other than that, we'll see you on the next video.